They gonna hear my voice, ain't gonna make my choice. I'm gonna make some noise in my life, baby. They gonna watch my words, ain't gonna write my verse. I'm gonna make this yours before it's mine, baby. Ooh, let me scream, yeah. Let me scream. That's what I need, baby. Dance on me.
Hey Burbers! Another day, another epic adventure! Join us today as we explore and experience the beauty of Liuliwa, Zambales. In this video, we're giving you the full scoop on where we stayed, the best things to do, must-try eats, and of course, a detailed breakdown of our expenses. Whether you're planning your own trip or just love travel inspo, we've got you covered. Let's go!
Another day, another adventure.
Another vlog.
Another vlog. Nandito kami ngayon sa...
Sige!
Yan.
So, ito yung unang resort natin. Kasi, sponty booking tayo. Wala nang available for 24, 25, 26. So, separate resort na lang yung pinili namin. Now, sasilid kami. Then, tomorrow, sa Migs at Liwa naman tayo. Dumating kami ng 11:18 AM. Pero, ang check-in talaga is 2 PM pa. Explore lang namin yung beach and yung ibang pwedeng kainan ng lunch. Our travel buddies!
Vlog.
Good morning, vlog!
Mabipicture na rin ako sa vlog ni Jason. What a privilege!
Bang nag-iintay guys ng check-in time. Ikot-ikot muna tayo sa beach. Okay yan. Pero maganda rin.
After 1 hour ng pag-iikot namin sa beach, pinapasok na rin kami sa resort. Thank you so much, Silid Resort, sa pag-early check-in sa amin. Okay naman siya for 4 packs, may 2 beds, and may sariling CR na rin. The price is 6,500 pesos, good for 4 packs for 2 days and 1 night. Luckily, kami lang yung tao sa resort, kaya solong-solo namin ang pool. Here, check our villa.
After mag-settle down, lunchtime. Guys, first stop, Mommy Phoebe's.
How many rice ba? 4 po.
Minsanan lang din yan.
Wow, John Lloyd!
Ingat. Ano pinag-bite
Di ba parang pogi pa dito, go?
Naka-sheets ako eh. Laban, no? Okay na ako.
Kami hindi.
Kami hindi, tapos nakatingin siya sa half price ko.
Ikaw hindi.
Hindi na.
Galing mo.
Ha?
Galing mo.
Guys, ayan po. Kung pa-cute-cute po siya sa mga video, ito po ang tunay na pagkain niya. Dito naman ang Sestra Cafe.
Ice caramel macchiato and
Isang ice Spanish latte.
On the way na.
Ber. So guys, ang aming mga sundo. Kaya. Oh, sige, baba ka.
Akin na yung ass mo.
Ito po, isa lang, no?
Give me just a second, I need your attention. I need your attention, baby. Why can't I get them to ever see us, them to just believe us, baby? They will hear us. If they don't know what they gon' hear.
Berber.
Nakakagaling mag-ATV.
Ooh. Grabe tawa din ah. Uy. Yan pala yan eh.
After namin mag-ATV and mag-dinner, balik na kami ng resort para naman mag-chill and mag-relax. Mag-day 1 kayo ng Friday or any weekday para masulit nyo ang resort.
Shout out po sa Silid admins kasi yan no, may libre po kaming camping chair and table.
Nilaro ni JI.
Paano yun?
Morning, dogo.
Day 2 and breakfast muna kami at Masids located here at Silid Resort. Time check, 9:30 AM. Waiting na lang kami mag 11 AM para mag-check out, mag-lunch, and lumipat sa next resort.
Okay guys, so Vlog takeover muna tayo. Jason, work ka muna dyan.
Meanwhile,
Go, alis kami. Likod pa kami. Go.
120 daw natin.
Bili muna tayo ng mga prutas. Ayan na, ng mga nag-crave sa mangga. Tesbon cravings.
lunchtime at Limliwa.
Hi guys! Next restaurant namin is Limliwa. At may batang nag-work dito. After lunch, diretso na kami ng Needs at Diwa para mag-check-in. So pagpasok niyo pa lang, grabe, aesthetic na at ang laki ng pool. Sobrang spacious ang room, good for 2 packs, with private CR and very Bali vibe. The cost is 7,000 pesos per room for 2 packs, 2 days and 1 night. Here's a quick tour on our resort.
I came here to party, I'm not gonna lie. So call up somebody, cause I ain't got the time. Nah, nah, I'm feeling myself in the best way. I'm gonna pretend it's my birthday. Got all of my friends going crazy, cause this is how we do. We'll go dancing in the club on a Saturday night. Go driving down Sunset, feeling alright, yeah, yeah. Doing anything we like. We'll go crazy.
Tara! Banana boaters! Ito guys, sinolo na naman namin ang dragon boats para makita nyo yung alon. Boog! Dahil na, lalabanan na. Oh! Pabalik na po kami ng hotel. Ito na mga ano! Laki ng alon! Oh! Ang laki ng alon guys, ayun oh! Nakasakay kami kay ko! Gagol, ang taas natin kanina! Guys, ang sarap. Kaya yung drawing yung dagat, ituloy nyo na. Banana boat. Isa to sa the best dahil sa alon. Okay kayo dito sa gitna.
Okay guys! There's no better way to end an epic beach day than with a nature's grand finale, the sunset. After ng beach activities and sunset view, bibihis ng kami and then hanap na for dinner place.
Nakain ba tayo dito? Parang masarap.
Parang malagad na.
Alto water na tayo. May drinks eh.
Parang din. Tapos mag-order na lang tayo ng
Thank you, sir. picture.
1, 2, 3, go.
Grabe naman mga...
Anong flavors po?
Ube and coconut.
Ube, coconut. Iba-iba. Ube na lang, be.
Ube na lang.
Jason. Kano po?
180.
Kaka-coco.
Hindi pa.
Ganda dito guys, tara na.
Beto, creamer sugar. Tignan mo ako kung yung dalawang.
Breakfast. Thank you, Migs. Kasi yung mura guys ng mangga dito, 110. Pag binarat nyo pa,
Pag si May.
Libre na.
libre na. Kulang na sabihin ni Kuya. Ilibre ko na lang po kaya ma'am.
At dahil last day na namin dito, sulitin na natin ang resort and have some drone shots. And since dadaan naman tayo ng Subic, hindi pwedeng hindi natin itry ang Meat Plus and Extreme Espresso.
Lunchtime.
If you love this adventure, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss the next one. See you on the next journey!